Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see 6 Udemy courses that are paid but we are going to get them for free of cost. Okay. So I will provide some promo codes in this video so that you can get them for free, and these courses can become paid anytime, so you need to purchase them as soon as possible. Okay. So let's get started. So this is our first course, as you can see on your screen. So it is a complete English language course and you can improve your spoken English through this course. So it is a very good course for beginners. So if you want to learn English, or if you are a beginner, or if you are intermediate also, then you can improve your English through this course. Okay. So in this course you will learn grammar, punctuations, pronunciation and everything. And you can see here this course is for 26.5 hours, so it is a big course and you will learn everything in that. You are going to get lifetime access and also a certification of completion. Okay, so you can see the promo code on your screen and you must register for this course so that you can improve your English. Okay, and you can see this ratings, like 4.4 stars are given and 1133 ratings are there. 67,000 students are already enrolled, so you must enroll in that. As you can see, I have also enrolled in that. Okay, so this is our second course, which is of Java programming language. So if you are from Java background or programming background, then this course can help you a lot. Like you can see the ratings, 4.5 stars are given, 2000 plus ratings are there, and around 2 lakh students are enrolled in that. So in this course, as you can see, it is a practical course and 500 plus examples are mentioned here. So you are going to learn a lot faster, and with practical examples you are not going to get bored. Okay, so you can see the syllabus and 22 more sections are there. So it is a big course of 26.5 hours, you can see. So you can land a good job if you complete this course. You are also going to get a certificate for that, so you must enroll for that. Okay, so this is our next course, and you can see here an interesting headline like make money from home and 45 work from home opportunities. So you are going to see 45 tips, you can say, and these all are work from home opportunities, so you can earn money from your home only. Okay, so this course is also a good course. You can see the ratings and the students enrolled, and it is only a 1 hour course, so it is a very short course because there are only some tips so that you can make money, and everyone wants to earn money, so you must enroll in this course and you will complete it in one go. So it's a very short course of 1 hour. So before moving to the next course, if you haven't liked this video till yet, then please hit like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I upload these type of videos on daily basis, so you will find new opportunities whenever I'll upload new videos. Okay, so this is our fourth course, you can see on your screen, and it is a digital marketing course. So you will learn everything about digital marketing in this course. You can see here it is of 62.5 hours. So it is a very big course. And you are also going to get a certificate and lifetime access for that. So you must enroll in this course. If you want to make your business online, or if you want to boost your existing business, so this course is very useful for you. So you must register for that course. Okay. And these courses can become paid anytime. So must register for today itself. Okay. So this is our fifth course, which is about Git. So if you don't know about Git, then Git is a version control system. If you are a developer, then you must learn about Git. And in this course, you will learn Git from basics to advanced level. And it is going to be a practical guide for all the developers. And it is a small course which is of 3.5 hours only. So you can learn Git very fast. Okay. You can see the number of students enrolled in this course and also the ratings. So you will find that very good. So let's see what you are going to learn. You will learn everything about Git, how to perform basics and advanced Git operations, key concept of Gits, how to manage branches, solve merge conflicts like a pro, and some real life cases using Git. Okay, so it is a practical guide, so you are not going to be bored in that. So this is the last course of our video, and it is a bonus course. So this course is all about photography. So if you are a beginner in photography field and want to become a professional, then this course is for you. You can see the ratings and number of students enrolled in this, 4.3 stars and more than 1000 ratings, and more than 1 lakh students are enrolled, so it is a good number. So it is a small course and you can finish it in one go only. In this course you will learn about camera gear, lighting and composition, portrait and stock photography also. It means that you are also going to learn that how you can sell your photographs online, so you can make some money also. Okay, and each course in this video are consisting of lifetime access and also a free certificate. So if you complete any of these courses, then you are going to get a certificate from Udemy, and it will help to boost your career also. And these courses can become paid anytime, so you must register as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please hit like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.